Maya begins her day not with an alarm clock but with the gentle voice of Alexa, her smart assistant, delivering the weather forecast and reminders of her day's schedule. As she stretches, the blinds automatically rise, inviting the morning sun to fill the room. This is Maya's smart home, a place where technology seamlessly integrates into everyday life, making each moment efficient and connected. These are MopBot and Roomba, robots that work independently, each focused on keeping the home spotless and running smoothly, turning routine cleaning into a hassle-free experience. Momo is more than just a machine, it's a reliable companion woven into Maya's daily routine. Even while recharging, Momo remains alert, always ready to assist Maya and simplify her life. Her smartwatch signals that breakfast time is here. With a sense of reassurance, she moves towards the kitchen, confident that her smart home is already handling the day's chores, making every morning feel like a smooth start. In the kitchen, the Moly robotic is busy chopping, stirring, and cooking, a perfect start to the day without any effort from Maya. The kitchen is a place where technology and convenience come together. The security drone is a key part of Maya's home security system. It can tell the difference between people, animals, and objects, ensuring the home stays secure without unnecessary alarms. Maya's home security system blends seamlessly into her daily life, balancing vigilance and convenience. The security drone watches over the property, ensuring safety without disrupting the peace. In the garden, Kobe, the garden robot, plays an essential role in keeping everything neat. It takes care of mowing the lawn, watering the plants, and even clearing away leaves, making sure the garden looks great all year round. Kobe's steady work keeps the garden looking great, allowing Maya to enjoy her space without any effort. Her smart home handles all the little tasks, making her life simple and stress-free, from the kitchen to the garden. Aibo isn't just a pet, it's a true companion designed to bring comfort and joy. With every wag of its tail and soft bark, Aibo brings life to the room, responding to Maya's presence with warmth that feels almost real. Its lifelike movements and playful nature add a unique touch to Maya's day. Maya reflects on how much her life has changed with these intelligent companions. They're not just machines, they're part of her routine, bringing warmth and functionality to her home. Maya smiles, knowing this is just the beginning. With each passing day, her smart home will continue to evolve, making her life even more comfortable and connected.